guess what? It's another update video because I really enjoy making these, and I enjoy the fact that people enjoy enjoying them. That got a little awkward, so let's just continue. So for the last couple months, like 3-4 months, I've been really focusing on YouTube, and the one thing that I was thinking at the beginning was, hey, once I start continuing and start doing more and start creating more, it's coming up with video ideas and coming up with just ideas, period. It's just gonna be easier. It's just gonna be great. It's just gonna flow to me. It's just gonna come to me. It's just going to flow into my brain just like some sort of radio waves, and that's not the case. When it comes to just normal video ideas, it's fairly, I'm not gonna say simple, but I'm more attuned to it. I'm more attuned to coming up with videos that I can film for like a few minutes and just portray what I'm saying and do all that stuff. But then there's short form content, and short form content has been kind of my, I don't know, like how do you say something that's bad that I'm terrible at? It's not my kryptonite, but yeah, it hasn't been the best thing for me to do because I've been, I guess, thinking too hard about it and thinking how it needs to be done. But when it comes down to it, I've just coming up with ideas for short form content has been just a little rough for me, I guess, because a lot of it is, oh, I need to showcase my personality. Oh, I need to showcase this. Oh, I need to showcase that. Oh, I need to showcase everything about my life, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I need to cut this down to a minute. How am I going to portray this in a minute? And I just start overthinking and overanalyzing everything. And then at that point, I just don't do it. But I guess my, not understanding, but my understanding of it is I'm trying to figure out how to fit short form content into my niche. I guess this is what my area of the internet, my niche. But I'm thinking too hard about it, and when I think too hard about something, I end up either coming up with something terrible, not doing it, or I just completely shut down. So I really and the cool thing about me making a video right now is the fact that I'm literally just coming up with ideas right now on how I should showcase all of this. One thing I've noticed is I think too hard, and that is one of my biggest downfalls. One of my biggest downfalls is that I overanalyze things. I just need to take clips from videos that I've made and put them as shorts. I need to make little funny things, put them as shorts. I need to take something I bought that I don't want to make a full video about, make it as a short. I could probably pack a bunch of different content into a 1 minute long little snippet of information for somebody to utilize, and I think that probably would end up being one of the better things to do. See, I like these videos because it's not, I mean, it's kind of like you're talking me through it, but it's more or less just me talking to myself and pretending that there's somebody here, and now that I say that out loud, it's kind of weird, and it makes me kind of question either my sanity or my thought processes. So yeah, there's that. So I know that like the TikToks and the YouTube shorts, they're super, first off, they're super powerful for growth and everything like that. And that, I mean, everybody who's making a YouTube video or making YouTube videos wants to grow. And that's the thing. But it's not really my main focus. So I guess one of the ways I can look at it is just, it's a different way, a different format for me to showcase any creativity that I have. And I guess it doesn't matter what kind of content. I mean, it's gonna be related to like my whole channel thing, which if you think about it, like the whole channel thing is just me. So if I'm on it, everything's related to it. So if I put like a picture or I put like a video of just a dog walking, it wouldn't be as related, but it probably still would be related. So enough of that. But so yeah, there will be shorts, there will be TikToks. I just need to come up with a bunch of ideas, and I need to stop getting in my own way, because getting in my own way is the one thing that I'm very, very good at. And I even made a video, and I'm going to put that video right here if you want to check it out. And I guess I'm gonna make some YouTube shorts and all that jazz. All right, well, I guess, yeah, this has been fun. This has been a good conversation. This has been valuable. I appreciate you all just sitting here and hanging out with me and talking to me and everything like that. If you like these, just let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz and all that stuff. But anyways, I guess we're gonna leave it there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, bye.